Have you noticed water pooling in your basement, even during light rain? Or perhaps your sump pump is making strange noises or running non-stop without effectively removing water? These are signs you are having problems with your sump pump system. We are the experts to call when situations like this arise. Contact us, and we'll get to your home as fast as possible to assess the situation and recommend the best solution. A failing sump pump may show several warning signs, including bad odors from the pit or excessive vibrations when running. It might also fail to keep up with water removal. Before we start, we'll inspect your current sump pump, check the area around it, and ensure the power source is functional. Once we confirm the need for replacement, we'll carefully remove the old pump and install a new, high-quality model designed to handle your home's specific needs. Proper installation is key to ensuring your new pump runs efficiently and lasts for years to come. Don't wait until flooding causes costly damage to your basement. Contact us today for professional sump pump replacement services and let us help you keep your home dry and safe.